Oh, again? Again? Who are you? Ah! It's not your line. Hey, where am I going? Hey, there's a cat. There's a cat. My God. Get it. Put it back. Where are you taking me? Put the cat back. I don't want to be playing around no cats.
What is wrong with you? Speak.
Bro! He's going. He's going. He's not my whoopee cushion anymore. There's. What the heck am I gonna do? Julian! 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 It's not me, it's the cats. It's the cats. Movie's over. The cats did it. Come look at what they did. They messed up our video. They did. Come look. Julian. Come see what the daggone Slash and Spike did. Spike and Slash ruined our movie. Spike and Slash ruined it. He's coming to ruin it again.
I'm not there.
You're not there. But Spike and Slash are there. What the heck is going on here? You need to quit it. You're messing up the movie.